In this video, I will show you step by step how you can start Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner without investing any money in paid ads and without any website. Okay, I will share with you guys my method that I'm using to make $15,250 per month with Pinterest affiliate marketing using free traffic. Okay, I made this commission in the month of March, from the first day of March, okay, until the last day of March, okay, 31. I will click on update, and as you can see, the numbers are still the same numbers. Okay, this is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshot. I'm not showing you screenshot like other people. And as you can see in my balance over here, I have $3,120 available. I will still get more commission in next few days, and it can be up to like 10k or 12k this month again with affiliate marketing. Okay, so anyways, for people who want to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community. Okay, go to community over here, okay, and click on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. They are really paying a good commission, guys, and you can make a lot of money. So just click on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Okay, do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose which trending services or products that are trending on Pinterest, so we can promote those products that are trending or services to earn commission. Okay, you cannot promote any services. So what you will do, you will go back to Google, okay, and you need to search for Pinterest. Okay, click on the first search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. Make sure to open business account, not personal account. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, make sure to open business account, not personal account. Okay, so, and did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? Okay, you can get so much traffic for free from Pinterest. You can promote your affiliate links for free. If you do it correctly, you can earn a lot of money with affiliate marketing using Pinterest. Okay, so because 1 billion monthly visitors, that's big number. Okay, a lot of people every single day are searching for specific services or products on Pinterest. Okay, so after you finish your sign up process to Pinterest, what you will do next, you will go back to Google, okay, and you will search for Pinterest trend. Okay, search for Pinterest trend. Click on the first link. You will be directly in this page over here. Let me show you. You will be directly in this page over here for Pinterest trend. I'm sure a lot of people are not using Pinterest trend. This website will give you what's trending in this month on Pinterest. Okay, so if you are doing affiliate marketing, you should use Pinterest trend. So this will be your home page. Scroll down, choose which country you want to target. Let's say, for example, you want to target United States. You can choose United States, Canada, Italy, Spain, and so on. I will choose United States. I will scroll down. You have here top trends in United States this month. That's the services and topics product that are trending on Pinterest this month on in United States. Okay, let's see if we can find a good service or product. We have tattoo ideas, we have wallpaper, and we have Easter. Okay, let me see if we can find good one. Hairstyle, we have Easter. I think this one is good. I will click on this keyword. Okay, I will scroll down. I will click over here on date. I will select paste 3 month. Okay, and as you can see, this topic is trending. Okay, it's trending in United States this month on Pinterest. Okay, if you scroll down, you have here related trends. You have more keywords are trending. Okay, Easter drawing, Easter background. So this one is really trending, as you can see. Okay, it's trending in United States. So what I will do is I will copy this keyword. Okay, Easter. I will go back to Fiverr, to my Fiverr homepage. I will click on the search and I will search for this keyword. Okay, I will search for services that are related to this keyword. Okay, so as you can see, you will find a lot of sellers here who are providing a service about this keyword, about Esther. Okay, so what you will do, you will scroll down. You need to choose a good seller, so choose good sellers. Okay, always choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose for example good one. For example, like I think like this one. This one is level 1 seller. I will design Esther. This one is really looking good. A level 1 seller, he has almost 5 stars, a lot of reviews. If we can scroll down, we can even find a good one. Okay, but this one is really good. TC, okay. Okay, so I will just choose this one. Let's choose this one. This one is level 1 seller. I will click on his service, okay. And you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do next, you need to copy this seller profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here again and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, so let's go to Pinterest. Go back to your Pinterest homepage, click on home feed and click on create pin, and you will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page, click on his picture. Okay, double click and click on save image. Okay, save this picture to your laptop. You will name it Esther. Okay, click on save. Go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture to your Pinterest account. Open, and here you go. You need title. Go back to this seller. Let me show you. Go back to the seller profile page, copy his title. You are just an affiliate marketer with Fiverr. You can use this information, that's all fine. Okay, and put your title here, description. Go back to the seller profile page, scroll down, go to about this gig. This is his description, so you can copy this part. I will copy this one. Okay, and I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here. You need to put your affiliate link here. Go back to this Fiverr affiliate account, to your Fiverr affiliate account, and copy your affiliate link from here. So I have all the Fiverr affiliate accounts. So if you don't see this old plan CPA, copy this one, new plan Fiverr Pro. It's almost the same. This one is even better. Okay, and go back to this to your Pinterest account and put your affiliate link here. Okay, click on choose a board. So if you have a new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. Okay, I will choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here keyword or tags. Okay, Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, keep scrolling down, okay, and you should see related tags. Okay, copy those keywords. I will copy this one, go to Pinterest, put this keyword here, and go back to Pinterest trend, okay, and copy those keywords. Okay, I will copy this one, Esther. I will go. Those keywords are very important for new Pinterest accounts. Okay, like this. Go back to Pinterest trend, scroll down. You have here related trends. Copy all those keywords: Esther image, Esther ideas, Esther food ideas, and all those keywords. Copy those keywords and put those keywords here in your Pinterest account. After you finish, click on publish. And here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. So this will be your picture, this will be your Fiverr affiliate account, this is your title, and this is your description. That's how we can start Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner without investing any money in paid ads and without creating any website. Okay? So if you have new Pinterest account, make sure to promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. If you start promoting a lot of affiliate links per day with new account, your account will get banned, okay? And a lot of people asking me in a question that they started getting clicks with my methods. That's really good, guys. If you start getting clicks, that's meaning that people are clicking in your services. So you just need to keep growing your account and you will start getting commission soon. Okay, it's depending on your work because you need to stick in one thing. You start getting click and right you are about to make money, you will quit and you will move again to another business. I don't know, maybe YouTube automation or e-commerce or I don't know. And you will start again and right you are about to make money again, you will quit and you will not make any money like using this way. Okay, if you keep trying businesses for just a few days, few weeks, or even a few months, and you didn't see any result and you quit, you will not make any money. Okay, stick in one thing, in one business, start improving, keep doing more research, and you can make a lot of money with any business uh, online that you want to start with. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next video. And by the way, guys, I'm working on a course that will cover everything about affiliate marketing. Okay, this course will be ready maybe in 1 month or less. Okay, I'm making really my best to make it done very soon. Okay, and I will launch this course in my website, and that's it. So stay tuned, guys, and keep improving. Also, you cannot just use Pinterest. Go watch my YouTube videos. I share with you how we can use YouTube, Facebook groups, Instagram, Quora, and so much more to promote your affiliate links for free. Okay, and that's it. See you in my next video.